Here's a Nokia flip phone. Here's the front of it. Here's a speaker. It's a screen. You can't see it because it's camouflaged. It's a Nokia logo. Here's a camera. Here's a sign that says like 1.3 megapixel. You probably couldn't see it. There's another Nokia sign. Bit of it, nothing. So here, headphone jack. The other side, the minus and plus volume buttons. Here's a power jack. Here's a hinge. This is what it looks like when it's opened. Screen. So is the menu button, another menu button or email button, quit button, power and hang up, and here is call. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0 and 2 buttons. See it turn on. Still works good. Haven't got copyright or anything. Oh, it's a bit distorted. I couldn't see that. In my other YouTube video, which is or my other YouTube channel exactly, which is technically called Cassette Guy 1996 as well, which is technically which is also but this Cassette Guy 1996 YouTube channel, which I also have, the logo is a vintage wheel-to-wheel cassette tape recorder. But I'm going to show you things how it looks like when I'm using them and stuff like that. Tell you here's a screen, and that's the whole phone. So it turns off. So like I always say, what other YouTubers would say, please leave your comments and like and subscribe. But what I would say, thanks for watching, whoever watches this.